we're back. No racing content today. I'm go do some racing tomorrow. I'm gonna send a full pass at the track since they've been hating on me. So I'm just gonna send it anyway. So today, working on transmission for my homie EM1 Zoe on Instagram. Just fixing up this LS transmission for him. Also today, my girlfriend's over here pulling her motor out. We're about to take the motor out. Well, she's about to take the motor out, and then we're gonna disassemble it, send it to the machine shop.
Have some minor upgrades.
Yeah, it smokes a little bit in VTEC, so yeah, I was gonna let you guys hear this part, but my girlfriend made me mute this out. I was gonna tell you what upgrades she's trying to do, but she's keeping it a secret, so you know, it's her preference. You guys gonna see what happens when it's done. Yeah, so stay tuned.
Got some progress done. Motor's coming out. Got some upgrades coming up. Gonna put the motor in the machine shop, get it machined. Stay tuned.
Pretty much just needed the hub and slider for third, fourth. Teeth are really ate up on the underside. He said he couldn't get third, or it was grinding super bad. That was the issue right there, and the synchro was well messed up. And the third gear, the teeth on here that engage the synchro aren't house shaped anymore, so we put a new third on there. And perfect condition hub and slider, no damage whatsoever. Gonna restack this main shaft and yeah, hopefully get this back together today. Got the trans all stacked back together for my boy. About to seal this thing up and send it back to him. It's just done. Trans all buttoned up, it's ready to go. I'm gonna pick up. It's already on the dolly, so we can get out of here. Del Sol's still here. Saw ripping this thing yesterday. All-wheel drive hatch. Baby in the shade. Got the motor out of her car. Ooh, so much space for activities. So something big about to happen. You know, I had to bleep the beginning of this because she didn't want me to tell you guys what she's doing to this thing, so can't even tell you yet. You just have to find out.